Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to my channel, Professor Avdesh Yadav. I'm Dr. Avdesh Yadav, working as a professor for Indian Knowledge System, Mass Media, and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Today we are going to talk about the next part of Indian Knowledge System, and that is nothing but it is related with the feature of IKS, or you can say the characteristics of IKS. So there are different characteristics. As per the Indian knowledge system, it is one of the very essential important subject. As I told you, we have in uh, earlier episodes, we have like earlier part that I have given to you. We have discussed about introduction of IKS and what is IKS. In feature of IKS, students should understand that few things they have to thoroughly learn. Okay, few important features that you can utilize in your writing, in your answer. Like number one is holistic perspective. Here IKS guides us human being to learn universe, human life, and knowledge of worldwide. uh, Holistic, when I say holistic perspective, it is one of the idea of every individual life, that how to live life properly with physical, mental, emotional happiness. That is very essential. I remember one of the story of Lord Shri Krishna Vasudev Yadav. Yesterday we have celebrated, in fact world celebrated Janmashtami. uh, जब भगवान श्री कृष्ण वासुदेव यादव बहुत छोटे थे, बच्चे थे, तो उनकी एक बड़ी अच्छी आदत थी कि वो हर एक दूसरे व्यक्ति, वस्तु, जानवर, उन सब में अच्छाइयाँ देख लेते थे. ये श्रीमद् भागवत पुराण में भी आता है, और ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है जो मैं समझाने जा रहा हूँ. होलिस्टिक, अगर आपको पर्सपेक्टिव समझना है ऑफ इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टम का, तो ये स्टोरी से आप बहुत ईजिली समझ जाएंगे. वो सभी में अच्छाइयाँ देखते थे. उन्हें कुछ भी सामान दे दो, कुछ खाने को दे दो, कोई जानवर दे दो, सभी में अच्छा उनको दिख जाता था. इस बात की चर्चा देवलोक में हुई किसी प्रकार, और जो इंद्र भगवान हैं उनको ऐसा लगा कि अरे यार ये कौन है जो जिसको हर चीज़ में अच्छाई दिख रही है. तो उन्होंने क्या काम किया, उन्होंने कहा कि वेट, मैं एक ऐसा कुत्ता बन के जाऊँगा, एक डॉग बन के जाऊँगा जिसे बहुत सारी बीमारियां होंगी. हमने देखा है कई बार कि कुछ कुत्ते ऐसे हो जाते हैं, या डॉग बेचारे, भगवान सभी को अच्छा बना के रखें, हो जाते हैं जिनके शरीर में कीड़े लग जाएं या परेशान. तो वो ऐसे बन के गए जिनकी पूंछ कटी हुई है, एक आँख फूटी हुई है ना, और शरीर पे सब जगह कीड़े मकोड़े हैं, बहुत सड़ गया है शरीर, और बहुत दुर्बल, जो अब मरे या तब मरे वाली दशा में जाके वो गोकुल में बैठे. सारे जो गोपी थे, जो भगवान श्री कृष्ण के साथ घूमने वाले या चलने वाले, जो गैया चराने जाने वाले, उन्होंने एक एक टिप्पणी करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. जब बारी भगवान श्री कृष्ण वासुदेव यादव जी के ऊपर आई, तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप इसके दांत को देखिए, इतने सुंदर दांत. और ये फैक्ट भी है कि हमने हमेशा से देखा है कि अगर कोई भी डॉग कंकाल भी हो जाए तो वो कभी भी उसका दांत खराब नहीं होता. क्या ब्यूटीफुल आइडिया है फॉर होलिस्टिक लाइफ और होलिस्टिक पर्सपेक्टिव. इफ़ यू वांट टू कीप योर इमोशंस, इफ़ यू वांट टू कीप योर माइंड हेल्दी एंड फिट, try to behave like as it is required, and that behavior is nothing but the sincerity, the sincere way of positive approach. This is the beautification of holistic approach that we can learn only through Indian knowledge system. The second feature will be integration of science and spirituality, and we recognize that through spiritual understanding and underpinning, scientific inquiry of scientific exploration is very essential. Which here science and spirituality both go together. As I told you, like how spices is useful to be there in our family, so there is a science behind food, there is a science behind cuisine, there's a science when to drink milk, when to eat dahi, curd, okay, or when to drink chas. This is important, and these things are still followed in rural area. आई एम अ सन ऑफ अ फार्मर। हमारे यहाँ पे बाजरी, ज्वार, नाचनी सबकी रोटियाँ खाई जाती हैं और वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं इन रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ डिफरेंट सीज़न। विंटर है तो कुछ और खा रहे हैं, समर है तो कुछ और हिसाब से खा रहे हैं। दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द साइंस टू बी देयर. Third important feature will be ancient wisdom and continuity. Ancient wisdom is very important. Our forefathers are uh, Dadaji, Dadi, and all. They were very smart. They have transmitted across generations all their wisdom, the knowledge of wisdom, and they ensures the practical experimental through tradition and written text and their activity, their moves. They guided us lot of things. I remember my Dadaji. He used to talk with me a lot. I'm lucky in that way. My Dadaji, Mr. Matasuran Yadav, farmer doing all work and field, doing best for the nation. I seriously, from my deep heart, I have respect. I'm talking about ancient wisdom and continuity that we can learn. As a professor, I can understand everybody, every individual, those who are watching this channel, in fact every student, you can learn from your grandparents, and especially if they are in village, you will learn it better. I remember when he used to talk with me in the same regard. He told, I asked so many questions. So one of the question is, why these so many trees of mango, and neem and mahua, ये आप क्यों लगा रहे हैं? वही बेसिक क्वेश्चन जो हर बच्चों को बचपन में आए कि आप तो खा नहीं पाएंगे, आप रहेंगे नहीं, तो इज़ लाइक माई जनरेशन विल बिकम द, वो इसका साक्षात्कार करेंगे, मेरे जनरेशन आप करोगे, आपके बाद आपके बच्चे करेंगे, आप इसको यूज़ करेंगे, लेकिन ये हैबिट आप यूज़ रखना, आप यूज़ में रखना. और आज देखो, नेता से लेके सोशल वर्कर से लेके स्टूडेंट से लेके एनएसएस के वॉलेंटियर से लेके आई डोंट नो बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से लेके सभी लोग पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ बचाओ, इन्वायरमेंट अच्छा होना चाहिए. ये हमने घरों में सीखा था. ये हमारा विजडम ऑफ नॉलेज है. हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ने हमको बचपन से सिखाया था. जो भूल गए हैं उसे फिर से सीखना है. तो ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू understand the importance of this Indian knowledge system. This is also related with this is the third characteristics feature, ancient wisdom and continuity. Next one is interdisciplinary nature, like through science, medicine, arts, mathematics, architecture, astronomy, social sciences, there should be some kind of interdisciplinary nature. If nature is not proper, then it affect to overall universe. Same way we make sure it should not be isolated on the basis of nature, on the basis of astrology. हम लोग घर भी बनाते हैं तो वास्तुशास्त्र देख लेते हैं कि कहाँ पे किचन होना चाहिए, कहाँ पे बेड होना चाहिए, कैसे सोना है, किस दिशा से किस दिशा की तरफ पैर रखना चाहिए. बचपन से ये गांव में रहते हुए हमने कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दिया कि पूर्व पश्चिम हम क्यों सो रहे थे. और वो हमेशा लोगों को हेल्दी बना के रखे. सिटी, इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट इन सिटी to see where we have only two directions, two disha, that is left and right. Okay, but the student of Indian knowledge system, he always have this knowledge कि उसको किस दिशा में सोना है वो समझेगा. That is one of the idea of interdisciplinary nature. Next feature would be empirical observation and experimentation. This is quite important as to be spiritual and metaphysic insight of every human being they have to know. Ancient Indian scholars made significant contribution in the field of mathematics, medicine and astronomy, etc. And these observations provide us guidelines and idea, कि हमारी राशि क्या है, तो हम हमारे ग्रह नक्षत्र कैसे हैं, किस हिसाब से हम अपनी चीज़ों को सही करें. मैं यहाँ पे बात अंधविश्वास की नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स विच डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट टू अस. ओके, सो जैसे कि भगवान श्री कृष्ण की कहानी बताई, और जैसे कि भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने श्रीमद् भागवत गीता में कहा है कि कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते माँ फलेषु कदाचन माँ कर्मफल हेतुर्भुमा ते संगोऽस्तु कर्मणि. That being as he said to Parth Arjuna, you have all detachment to your karma. आप कर्म करो, फल की इच्छा मत करो. So I'm thoroughly agree with that sentence of Almighty God Shri Krishna Vasudev. But here, few things like mathematics, astronomy, medicine, it works. Like every leaf, every tree, they have like some significant way and idea are related with they can work as a medicine. That is the importance of one of the important feature of Indian knowledge system. Ethical and moral framework is the sixth characteristic of I guess ethical and moral framework. Like what is dharma? The righteous conduct. Everybody in this world, they have to follow the righteous conduct. It is very simple to say whatever thing you want from others, behave like that way, and that is dharma, that is righteous conduct. So in that regard, we will never do anything wrong to anyone, either animal or human being or any living thing. Come on, we will try our best to say truth, help other, associate with societal activities, providing great help to our society, to our nation for overall development. And this is what one of the feature of ethical and moral framework that we have to follow. Seventh one is flexibility and adaptability. Indian knowledge system guides us to be flexible with, like, and adopt new ideas or guidelines that can be helpful to us. New ideas, new values. So we have adopted now. Earlier we were using normal phone, then Android phone, and now tabs and laptops and so many technology in our AI. We have adopted those things. So it make us flexible and adaptable. Like in rural area, when you go, you live in a very open, precious space. But in city, the condition is not that good. So we live in a situation in a small rooms or flats, etc., and we manage it everything properly. That's okay. That we have learned from Indian knowledge system. Cultural diversity and regional variation is another important feature. Different reason, like India is a vast country. We have so many different religion and regional values, culture, etc. When we travel from one end to another end. Here I'm talking about 10 feature. That's why video is bit long. So as it is said over here, after every 20 kilometer you will find some change in language, and every 15 kilometer you will find change in water. So this is true. There are lots of various culture when you visit, like, overall India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So these knowledge system we have adopted over here, like overall India. Whoever is visited, they know it. But this is something which is very essential and important, being as individual, like as a student of Indian knowledge system. This guides us about local custom, language, tradition. Being as a person from Bhadohi, Banaras, when I have started my learning over here in Maharashtra, Mumbai, I'm lucky being as Mumbaikar. Then I learn Marathi language. I have learned. In fact, I taught in Marathi language. That is one of the uplabdhi for me. Like, so this is really very important part. Like over here, eighth is cultural diversity and regional variations we learn through Indian knowledge system. When we read and learn Indian knowledge system, we know about all different values, like how Tamilians and Malayalis, they have their ideas, their clothes, their cuisine, etc. Then in Maharashtra, how it is Gujarati, how they go ahead with Punjabi, and Bangalore, how Bengali people, how it is differ, and of course from Uttarakhand, Rishikesh all. That's why it is rightly said, in overall lifetime you have to be a visitor. Do visit different places, at least in India, different places we have to visit. Yeah, please write and comment. Ninth feature is universal principle and local application. This is something like I used to tell my students, like in convent school, how they guided that there is lots of cleanliness. They focus on cleanliness. This is really important. So here, universal principle like cleanliness. We are now our prime minister. He has run a particular program, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Why it is required in India? we forget that in Indian knowledge system, our ancestors that are in ancient time, we have given a lots of value on cleanliness. That is why this program is run. And different like in convent I saw, like Catholics, they do care a lot about cleanliness. A basic example, so universal application, like cleanliness is universal application that is utilized everywhere, wherever you go, wherever you visit. That is one of the most important principle, and we can apply it on local application at our home, at our society, in our college, or wherever we go. The last one is living tradition and contemporary relevance. Whoever we are, whatever our tradition, be proud on the same. According to the present value or the relevance, we all can use it the same. So, how my tradition is, be first of all, be proud on that, and it is okay, and make sure the parallel line of recent contemporary relevance of the same. Indian knowledge system provide that pride to us. वो एक आत्मभूति हमें प्रदान करता है, जिसके थ्रू हम अपने ट्रेडिशन को सही तरीके से फॉलो कर सकें. ओके, चाहे वो तिलक की बात हो, चाहे वो हमारे तुलसी माला की बात हो, रुद्राक्ष की बात हो, या हमारे हाथों में रक्षा की बात हो, या फिर राखी रक्षाबंधन की बात हो. It's a beautiful idea. Through YKS we are aware about, and we follow the same. So these are the 10 important features, characteristics of Indian knowledge system. I hope you are understanding this one. If you have any question, do ask, write comment, subscribe it. Okay, thank you very much. Jai Shri Krishna.